Do you ever wondered how top online stores showcase their products from every angle? The secret lies in multiple product images that capture attention and build trust. With Shop Builder, you can easily add as many images as you need to highlight product details, textures, and variations. Even better, the variation gallery lets you assign unique images to each product variation, whether it's color, size, or style, so customers get a clearer view before they buy. Let's learn how to use the image variation gallery module in the ShopBuilder plugin. Firstly, go to the plugins to add a new plugin. Then in the search key box, type ShopBuilder powered by Radius theme. The best WooCommerce builder for Elementor includes over 80 widgets. Click on Install and then Activate. Now on the top, click on Add Plugin to upload plugin. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of this. Now click on Install. After installing, click on Activate plugin. And here these are. We will install the Pro version for this premium feature. Now go to the Shop Builder, then Settings. Click on Modules. You'll get several modules here. Find Variation Gallery and click on this to enable this module. Then click on Save Changes. Now, in the first step, we will create the product attributes. For this, go to the Shop Builder plugin and then Attribute. Here it is. Provide a name like color. Then enable this if you want this attribute to have product archives. Then select your sort order and then click Add Attribute. After color, now create another new attributes like size and then save it. Here it is. Under the terms, click on Configure Terms. Now provide any color name that you want to appear on your site and click on Add New Color to save this. For adding more colors, you can keep following this process to add this. In this way, you can create more and more. While color is done, then work with size. Click on Configure Terms and provide your required size, like this. This is how create your required product size as yourself. Here it is. Now, in this step 2, we will add a product and set of variation image gallery. For this, go to the All Products and click on Add New Product. Now provide your required product name and then write a description about it. According to the product short description, write something about your product. For the product data, select the product types as variable product from these given options. Then go to the attributes and get this type of settings. Click on Add Existing and choose color from here. Now select the variations for the all products or else don't select anything. Now save your attributes. After choosing the color as existing, now select size. According to the values, select the size for your product. You can select multiple products at once if you want. Now click on variation and get two options as add manually and generate variation. From here, click on generate variation and get this type of appearance with several variations for adding. Suppose you have a black t-shirt available in all the different sizes. Click on edit and provide an appropriate image for this. Choose the image and save it. After adding the main product image, we will now add the image gallery. For this, select a few more similar images. This is how you can add more and different images separately by following these steps. If you want to add your variation gallery video, Then you can provide the video URL for your YouTube. Then provide the video width and the height as well into px or in the percentage, and then save it. Then provide the regular price and then stock status. This is how you can keep continuing to add your images. And along with that, provide the regular price. While done, click on Save Changes to save all of your variation. On your right side, click on Product Image. Now save the product image. Now save the product categories. After that, click on Publish to save all of your customization. Now let's click on View Product to visit our customization. Here it is. From here you can choose the color as well as the size. And there will be also displayed a video that you have made before. Each time a size is selected, it will also display the prices you have saved. Let's go back to where we were earlier. Now follow the same process like previous. Set and add your gallery images and then save it. In this way, keep selecting and adding variation images separately for each main product. You just need to follow the similar process. While done, click on Update and let's go to visit our new customization. From here, you can choose your shoes from these created color options along with the particular size with the selected shoe. Whenever you select a shoe in your preferred color, the size options will be displayed based on the color. For example, if you choose red shoes, you will see which size are available in red. You will get the same result when selecting shoes for other colors as well. In this way, each time you select in your required size for purchase, it will display the specific price you have set it for that. Now go to the ShopBuilder plugin, then Settings and Variation Gallery if you want to change the single product page appearance. Then enable the Zoom Gallery image along with the image lightbox. Then save your changes. Now back to the single product page to see our customization. Here it is. This is the difference between before and after. Meanwhile, if you want to change your zoom button position, then go to the settings again and change your button position from these options. For example, bottom left. Furthermore, if you want, you can customize product thumbnails item image for your slider view. Not only that, you can also change your gallery style from your given options if you further want. Then save your changes. Now again, let's back to our single product page to see our new customization. Reload the page first and see the difference here. The button position has a left from top to the bottom left. Now, if you further want to customize your image transition effect, then go to the settings and choose the options either slide or fade. We will try the slide and then save it. Now let's go to see the customization. Here it is. It will appear like this. Now let's go to the styles for our color customization. From here you can customize your required color from their color picker and these options. So this is how you can add multiple product image with ShopBuilder plugins. Thank you for watching this video.